Hi, in my previous clips I gave you some advices how to set up a burger shop, so we continue the cycle by comparing two grills from Royal Catering. Previously I had my evil twin helping me out with my tests. Unfortunately today I had to give him a day off because he was really cranky and grumpy. So, well, I just sent him off for holidays for a couple of days. So I'll be conducting the test today by myself. And to the point, on my workbench today I have two, you would say, a bit different devices. I have a flat top grill from Royal Catering and I have a contact grill from Royal Catering as well. So both flat surfaces. And what we're going to do today is a very simple test, or actually two tests. So first I'm going to grill these two burgers on each grill. We give them both 4 minutes, and in theory this grill should be twice as fast as this one. The second test will be a simple endurance test. So we're going to grill 10 burgers on each machine. We're going to plate it up and we'll see how long it takes for both machines. And at the very end we're going to compare and analyze the results, and we're going to draw the conclusions. Alright, so without giving any extra resting time, let's cut them through. Alright, so for the second one. Okay, so the difference is obvious. The burger cooked on the flat top probably requires another 2 minutes of cooking time and another minute or two of resting. Contact grill is cooked through, so it probably needs a minute less than that. That's for the first test. Let's get to the second test. Alright, that was pretty quick. So let's try the second grill and see how that goes. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so test is over. Let's talk about the learnings. So now it's time to analyze the results. So first, the flat top. Of course it took a little bit longer to cook the burger on the flat top because the contact grill was from two sides at the same time. So obviously it's going to cook shorter. So for the flat top to dish out the first burger, it took about 6 minutes, 6.5, whereas for the contact grill it took about 3.5 minutes. However, with the amount of burgers we cooked, so 10 on each grill, it came to shine that the flat top dished out all the 10 burgers within 10 minutes. Like 10.5, like 10:40 I think it was the end result. Whereas the contact grill, I managed to do it in 17 minutes sharp.
Obviously, you can do it faster with a little bit of practice, and like the more complicated the burgers probably will take a little bit longer. With the different weights, it's going to have different results, but it's just about to showcase the result. What it means for your customers and for your business. Basically, the customer would wait a little bit longer for his first burger on a flat top. But then again, if it comes to large amounts, of course, the flat top wins, and you'll be able to dish out many more burgers than on the contact grill. The other thing is, I couldn't grill my buns at the same time as I grill my burgers on the contact grill. So the buns had to wait for the burgers to get ready. That's why it took so long to dish out all the 10 burgers. So it's pretty much 7 minutes of a difference for 10 burgers, but imagine selling 200, as I said before. So that's where actually it means a lot. So for a burger shop that sells a lot of burgers, I would recommend buying a flat top, of course. But for a business, when you want to diversify your menu with putting a burger, and you know it's not going to be that popular because you have many other stuff that sells a lot, and you know you're going to cook like, I don't know, 10, 20, 30 burgers a day, then a contact grill is a great solution because it doesn't take up so much space. It's pretty fast, so your other menu items won't need to wait for the burger that long. And basically, if you change the menu again and you drop the burger off the menu, you can use the contact grill for so many other things, or you can just hide it away or store it away and put it back up when you need it. So these are basically the advantages and disadvantages of these two devices. So neither is one better or worse. They're equally good. They're getting the job done. However, it's all up to your place and your needs, what you need to serve in a day. All right, so that's about it. What I have to contact grills and flat tops.